Will artificial intelligence really replace humans by 2025? What will humans do if all sector jobs are replaced human by artificial intelligence? So this is the biggest question that our society is facing now. So now I am going to give a clear explanation about this. First of all, so many researchers are telling us that by the 2025, most of the sector jobs will replace human by artificial intelligence robots. This is 95% correct because so many sectors are choosing artificial intelligence robots other than human because they are very cheap and they don't need any salary. They only need charging. They don't have emotions like humans. And also, artificial intelligence robots will work 24 hours, but humans will work around 12 hours. So, one thing is clear that artificial intelligence will replace human jobs by 2025 or 2030. But the main question here is, what will humans do if all sectors are replaced by artificial intelligence? To know about this, you have to click that follow button and watch our next video tomorrow. And comment your thoughts about artificial intelligence in the comment box.